My lady, I'm a resident of Migori County, Uriri sub-county. I am a resident of Migori County.
So, as a member of Migori and Migori County, Uriri sub-county, is there any other activity you engage in that is beneficial to the community as a person?
Yes, I'm engaged in other community services. I am currently the chair of Board of Governors of a primary school called Cyprian of Jongomolo Primary School within Uriri sub-county. I am also the chairman or the moderator of St. John the Evangelist and Dean of Catholic Church.
Now, Mr. Oyamo, you understand that in this case you have been charged together with two other accused persons.
Yes, my lady.
What is your relationship with, for instance, the first accused person? What was your relationship then and even now?
The first accused was my boss. He was the governor of Migori County up to 2022, August. The third accused was also working then, and I believe he's still working now as a clerk. By the time I was working, the third accused was working as a clerk within Migori County government.
Now, Mr. Oyamo, sometimes back when we began this case, you remember the prosecution making some opening statements.
Yes, I do.
And what important part of that statement do you remember?
But I remember the prosecution introduced their case as a puzzle. A puzzle that they were seeking to resolve by the time they were closing their case.
In this puzzle, what did they tell court they will be doing with regards to your supposed involvement, alleged involvement? What did they say they will prove at the end of the court, at the end of their case?
My lady, from what I heard, in trying to resolve the puzzle, they were to unearth the planning to show how the murder was executed.
I will refresh your mind on the exact words they used. They say they will show court the deadly role allegedly played by you, how you lured, you together with others not before court, you lured the deceased and handed her over to the killers. Remember those words?
Yes, I do.
Now, all along you've been sitting on this other side of the court. And today you are standing there. Do you know why you are standing there?
Yes, my lady.
Mr. Michael Oyamo, why are you standing there today? I know it's an obvious question, but why are you standing there today?
My lady, two things. I'm standing here because in this court, we are seeking justice. Justice for a lady who was brutally murdered. and I was brought in as an accused person, the police having conducted their investigation. I'm also standing here, my lady, seeking justice for myself.
You are standing there seeking justice for yourself. What do you mean?
My lady, I've been seated on the other side, as you said, and witnesses have been brought here, mostly with false accusations.
The court is not writing. So speak.
Yes, my lady, witnesses have been brought to this court with false accusations, my lady. But I'm happy to stand here today to clear the air and to prove my innocence, my lady.
Again, Mr. Oyamo, the question I'm about to ask is rather obvious. Do you understand the charges you are facing before this court?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the penalty for if this court were to find you guilty? Do you understand the penalty you will face?
Yes, I do.